Hi, I'm Fritz with Gravwell, and in this video we'll be looking at Gravwell Flows, which is a visual programming environment designed to allow the user to interact with the Gravwell system both in the usual ways, such as running a query or ingesting data, but also in novel ways, such as taking conditional actions based on the contents of a query, sending emails, or even taking complex actions such as running multiple queries, generating a PDF, and then emailing that PDF to your boss so he knows you're still working. Let's start by creating a new flow. We do that by entering Query in Dev Studio, creating a new tab, and selecting Start a New Flow. We're given a blank canvas and a list of nodes that we can use to build our flow. Let's build the simplest flow possible, a Gravwell notification. We do this by dragging the Gravwell notification node into the canvas and then selecting it to bring up its configuration. Let's give a simple message. Hello, Gravwell. At this point, we can simply debug our flow by pressing the play button. And you'll see in a few moments, a notification has appeared. Hello, Gravwell. We can then clear this notification and continue adding to our flow. Let's make this flow a little more interesting. Instead of having our notification say, Hello Gravwell, let's have it give us the number of entries in the Gravwell tag over the last hour. We do that by going back to our node palette and dragging the Run a Query node into the canvas. Our query will simply be tag equals Gravwell. The search time frame is over 1 hour, and the output variable name is search. We'll use this variable name later. Simply connect our Run a Query node to our Gravwell notification node and change our message from a hard-coded string to a variable, search.count. Now when we execute our flow, we have a notification that we've seen 86 entries in the Gravwell tag over the last hour. Search.count, there were several other variables present. All flows have a flow variable containing its name, description, labels, and so on. And additionally, we see there's a search variable, which was created by the Run a Query node. The Run a Query node additionally added results, query, and so on, including search.count, to the flow. And every node is able to attach variables to the flow as it proceeds downstream. Let's look at a more complex flow, the daily report flow, which is included as a template in all Gravwell installations. In this flow, there are 4 Run a Query nodes, each with a different output variable name: search counts, search users, and so on. These 4 Run a Query nodes are connected to a stack merge node, which is then connected to a PDF node, and finally an email node. In Gravwell flows, any node that has dependencies, that is, a node that has other nodes connected to it as inputs, will not execute until all of its dependencies have executed. So in this flow, our sleep and ingester info node execute first, then the Run a Query nodes once the sleep is completed. The text template will complete only after ingester info has completed, finally allowing stack merge to execute, then PDF and email. By using Gravwell flows, you can quickly and easily interact with the Gravwell system, execute queries, and build automations, including sending emails, generating PDFs, and even sending Slack messages. To find out more, visit gravwell.io.